If you've never heard of ACEO art before, it just means art cards, editions, and originals. The only thing that really matters is the size, 2.5 by 3.5 inches. That's it. People love to make things more complicated than it needs to be, but it can be watercolor paper, cardstock, canvas paper, whatever you want to create on. You could paint it, draw it, collage it, stamp it, stitch it, print it, or make it digitally. An original is allowed, a reproduction is allowed, digital art is allowed, mixed media is allowed. The point is to create something small, that's it. And for me, these little cards are a good reminder that art doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to start big. Sometimes it makes more sense to work the idea out small first and then build from there. If you're like me and sometimes often struggle with ideas, I highly recommend you start your own ACEO collection.
I've been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it